Jamia-Tul-Madina, the Islamic universities of Dawateislami. Jamia-Tul-Madina are those institutes where scholars are produced, ulama are produced. These are the institutes where Dars-e-Nizami course, the scholar course, is taught. We can imagine how important ulama, Islamic scholars are for our society. How would we go about our daily activities without the guidance of our ulama? Up to now, at present, as of March 2022, Dawat-e-Islami has established 1,148 Jamia-Tul-Madina across the world. And these Jamia-Tul-Madina are in Pakistan as well as abroad. The countries in which the branches of Jamia-Tul-Madina are established are Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India, Kenya, Mozambique, Mauritius, South Africa, United Kingdom, Spain, USA, Canada and Hong Kong. Another fascinating fact, dear viewers of Madani Channel, that the country in which Jamia-Tul-Madina is established, Alhamdulillah, Dars-e-Nizami course, the scholar course, is taught in the language of the country. The country in which Bengali is spoken, Alhamdulillah, Dars-e-Nizami is taught in that country in Bengali. The country where Arabic is spoken, Dars-e-Nizami is taught over there in Arabic. In Mauritius, it is taught in Creole. In the UK, US and Canada, it is taught in English. The country in which Swahili is spoken, it is taught in Swahili.
Alhamdulillah for this great work. Islamic universities have been established in Pakistan and abroad under the name of Jamia-Tul-Madina, in which male and female students are studying free of cost. Hadith, fiqh, tafsir and other Islamic teachings are being taught alongside with Arabic. So come on, let's take a look.
My name is Abdul Wadud. I'm studying in final year of Dars-e-Nizami, which also is called Dawratul Hadith. Now I am practicing in Arabic literature. Ismi Abdul Wadud, Ismu Walidi Ghulam Shabir, Adrusu fi Dawratul Hadith, bi Jamia-Tul-Madina, Fizan Madina, Karatash.
Not only this, you would also be amazed to know that the country in which Shafi'i devotees of the Prophet live, Alhamdulillah, Dars-e-Nizami in those countries is taught according to the Shafi'i jurisprudence.
Of the love of the Prophet, it's all over the